All right, today we're going to bring a heated vest, and this is a women's vest. Now, they do have provide different sizes. Now, included with it came with an actual charging station, a battery. You could also charge other devices with this. And the best thing, I'm going to show you guys the best thing, the inside of the actual jacket. It's made with very warm material, and of course, it's going to heat up all around. And we are going to do a demo so you guys can see exactly where it heats up. But if you're already going to the winter mountains or you're skiing, this is a perfect jacket to either wear in your over or anywhere you can. I like the wood that it has. Very, very insulated. It's perfect for those that are looking for nice, warm materials. And of course, like I said, I mentioned the batteries included, charging station. You plug it in and you put it on the actual level that you want. Different formats of level heating. All right, you guys can see we have the button from the front and the back. If you hold it down, it turns on. So let's go ahead and turn off the front. To turn it off, hold on the button. To turn off the back, hold on the button. To turn on the front, hold on the button. And then to turn on the back, hold on the button. There it goes. That's perfect. So overall, this thing has nice insulation inside. It's going to cover the two front ends and the back. So this is perfect for winter, snowboarding, pretty much anything. Like right there and right there. Like right here. Do you feel it right here?
Yeah.
All right, turn on the back one.
Oh.
Don't turn around yet. Just hold the button down. There it goes. No, wait until it gets warm. Is it warm enough?
I feel it.
Okay, turn around.
You see it?
Oh, yeah, I see it. I see it like right here in this section right here.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. All right, turn around. Stay there. Is it warm right here and right here in the pockets too?
It feels warm right here mostly.
Okay,